Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Facebook account. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you come across any fake, spammy, or abusive accounts while on Facebook, it is a good idea to report them so Facebook can take appropriate action against them. I'll be doing this tutorial using the Facebook app, but you should be able to follow along if you are on desktop too. Now let's open the Facebook app. Go to the profile page of the person you want to report. When you are viewing their profile, tap on the More button besides the Message button. Now tap on Report Profile. You can now select the reasons why you are reporting this account. For example, this person is using fake account. I can tap on Fake Account option. And once you are done, tap on Submit. The Facebook moderation team will receive this report and take appropriate action if they are breaking the rules. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.